This is what a pinch of turmeric every day can do for you. Turmeric is in the ginger family, and its BFF is black pepper. Although most studies have focused mainly on curcumin, its main active ingredient, turmeric is only about 3% curcumin. It isn't absorbed very well by our bodies, so sprinkling some in your curry isn't going to change your life. But if you add its BFF black pepper into the mix, you increase your body's absorption by 2,000%. What a combo! It's also fat-soluble, so taking it with certain healthy fats, such as olive or grapeseed oil, could also help your body make the most of it. Despite its long history of use in Ayurvedic medicine for various conditions, such as chronic pain and inflammation, turmeric has recently migrated from people's spice cabinets into the health spotlight of Western medicine, and for a good reason. Here are 10 benefits of the powerhouse that is turmeric. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it defends the body from harmful invaders and repairs damage from bacteria, viruses, and injuries. On the other hand, long-term inflammation has been associated with chronic conditions, such as heart disease and cancer, so it must be controlled. Curcumin is currently being studied for conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease, among others, due to its anti-inflammatory properties that block inflammatory molecules. It is as effective as ibuprofen and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs in reducing joint pain and dysfunction, both of which are characteristics of osteoarthritis, but without the undesirable gastrointestinal side effects. Number 2. Antioxidant. Free radicals are chemically active molecules that damage the body's cells. This damage, along with inflammation, is one of the main causes of cardiovascular disease. Therefore, turmeric may be useful in preventing and managing heart disease. It has also been shown to lower cholesterol and triglycerides, and it may improve blood pressure. Number 3. Brain health. In Alzheimer's disease, beta-amyloid plaques form between the brain's nerve cells, impairing their communication. This results in the death of nerve cells, which is what causes irreversible cognitive damage. Turmeric reduces inflammation and breaks down those beta-amyloid plaques, as well as another protein called tau, which is also associated with Alzheimer's disease. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can also prevent and reduce symptoms associated with other neurodegenerative diseases, like dementia, multiple sclerosis, Huntington's disease, and Parkinson's disease. Number 4. Anti-cancer effects. While not a cure, turmeric can affect cancer formation, growth, and development. It can also reduce the spread of cancer, and has shown that it can contribute to the death of cancerous cells in certain cancers, such as pancreatic, prostate, and multiple myeloma. On top of that, it can also reduce the horrible side effects that accompany chemotherapy. Number 5. Mood enhancement. Several compounds in turmeric can reduce major depression and relieve anxiety, making it a potential treatment or supplement to antidepressants for these conditions. It does so by increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that benefits the health and regeneration of neuronal cells. Number 6. Type 2 diabetes. Curcumin may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a useful tool in the prevention and treatment of prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. It works by combating oxidative stress, which can contribute to diabetes, as well as regulating fat metabolism. It can also help fight insulin resistance, which is one of the factors that determines the severity of diabetes. Number 7. Improved liver function. Turmeric may reduce the oxidative stress related to liver disease, stopping or slowing its progression, as well as preventing the liver from being damaged by toxins and increasing the bile required for digestion. This is good news for people who are on a lot of medications for other health conditions. They could benefit from consuming some turmeric each day to offset the damage that those drugs can cause. Number 8. Digestion. In addition to adding flavor to food, turmeric can also contribute to healthy digestion, thanks to its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It works similarly to prebiotics, which feed probiotics, the microorganisms in our gut that contribute to various bodily functions and overall wellness. It has long been used to heal the digestive tract in Ayurvedic medicine and helps with gut inflammation and gut permeability, both of which are measures of digestive efficiency. Turmeric may also be effective in treating symptoms related to irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's, and ulcerative colitis. Number 9. Skin health. Turmeric is taking the skincare scene by storm. Its antibacterial properties make it a potential alternative treatment for acne. It also protects the skin from free radical damage from things like environmental pollutants. Often used in India as a skin lightener, turmeric can be used under the eyes to treat dark circles. It also improves the appearance of sun-damaged skin and can be used to treat conditions such as atopic dermatitis, scabies, and psoriasis. You can even create a turmeric paste to apply to wounds. Our body's natural response to skin wounds is inflammation and oxidation. And as we've seen, turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's an antiseptic, so it helps disinfect cuts and burns. It's also antibacterial, which means it speeds up healing, and it has analgesic properties that help relieve pain. Number 10. Immune system boost. In addition to all of the mentioned health benefits, turmeric gives your entire immune system a boost. Even those with immune disorders could benefit. It works by increasing the immunomodulating capacity of the body, so consider trying it next cold and flu season. With all these benefits, you might be tempted to gnaw on some turmeric root, drink some turmeric tea, or rub some of the spice all over your wounds, pimples, and under-eye circles. But be sure to talk to your doctor before you do, as there could be potential drug interactions to consider. Not to mention, it could turn your face orange. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, slam that like button and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.